My name is Kudzai Manditereza from Industry 4.0 TV, and we're here at the Things Conference 2023 in Amsterdam. And right now I'm joined by Xose Pérez from RAKwireless. Xose, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Awesome. It's great to have you here. So maybe could you begin by introducing yourself to the audience and tell us more about RAKwireless?
Okay. So I'm a product owner at RAKwireless. I've been working for RAK for the last 3 years. I'm also a freelancer in everything related to IoT for the last 10 years, maybe now. And I'm passionate about open stuff. So I'm one of the core members of the TTN community in Barcelona, for instance. So I come from the community, and I ended up in RAK working for one of the best brands in the LoRaWAN ecosystem.
Awesome. Great stuff. Now, for people who are new to LoRaWAN, could you explain how LoRa 2.4 gigahertz differs from traditional LoRaWAN and its advantages or potential use cases for IoT applications, and more especially in comparison to other connectivity technologies like Wi-Fi and cellular?
Yeah, so LoRa 2.4 is actually very new. I learned about LoRa 2.4 in 2020 here in the TTN conference. And I think one of the first use case that I was aware of is one of the most typical stuff for LoRa 2.4. So the thing is that 2.4 tries to solve two main issues. One is that it's a band that it's available worldwide, so you have a unique SKU for your products if they are LoRa 2.4. You can use them everywhere in the world, and it's fine. And the other thing is that one of the limitations of LoRa sub-gigahertz is the data cycle. You cannot send as often as you would like to, maybe. With LoRa 2.4, there are no data cycle limitations, so you can send as much messages one after the other as you would like. Of course, this comes with some cons that you have to be aware of. The range is not the same as with sub-gigahertz, but that's a physical issue. There's nothing to do with it. And the capacity of the network is not as high as with sub-gigahertz, especially if you have many devices sending very often, right?
Yeah.
So there are some trade-offs you have to do. It's not something that comes to sweep everything else. It's just another technology that you can use, and it will be good depending on your use case. So if you want to deploy the same device everywhere in the world, it might be a good option. If you want to send over LoRa like audio or pictures, it might be your option. You cannot do that with sub-gigahertz. But at the same time, 2.4 is like a red ocean, because we have many, like Wi-Fi, of course, and we have other technologies like Zigbee using the same bands. And we are going to have Wi-Fi 7 doing the same thing with a comparable range to LoRa 2.4 and Thread and many other stuff. It's going to be a really red ocean. So we feel like it will take time for the ecosystem to know what this is really good for. But I think it's great. If you want to keep using LoRa 2.4 can be a good tool for that.
Oh, awesome. That's really great. Now, as far as its adoption in the IoT across various industries and sectors, how do you see LoRa 2.4 contributing towards that?
Yeah, like I said, I see very clear use cases for it,
Yes.
like ships or like a company that doesn't want to bother about different regions in the world, different frequencies. They want to have a unique SKU. Those are very clear. But then for the rest, it will take time. It will take a little bit of time to know what is the niche, what is the perfect use case for LoRa 2.4. We have some use case already we're working on about this audio, for instance, like I said before, but it will take some time. There are some things that are very clear, and the rest, it will depend. We will see in the next 2-3 years.
Awesome. Yeah, so I mean, we've got like a LoRaWAN wall of fame here, and you've got some devices that you're showcasing here. What devices does RAK presenting?
So we have a few new devices here at the convention. One of them is in the wall of fame. It's the sticker tracker. So it's a sticker that you can just tier the contacts to enable the battery, and you can stick it to a box, a package, and send it. And then you have location and temperature of the package It doesn't have a GPS inside. It works by trilateration of gateways,
Yes.
but you can get pretty good information about where the package is. It also has an accelerometer, so it can regulate the frequency of the messages depending on the package is moving or not, this kind of stuff. And it's getting a lot of attraction from our customers. Then we also have of course, new things about LoRa 2.4.
Yeah.
The concentrator is already available, and now we're working on the modules. We did a workshop today about the modules, but it's not released yet.
Yeah.
But you can play with them in a few weeks. And then we have a Modbus bridge that's inside an antenna, so minimum deployment effort. You just deploy the antenna, connect it to your Modbus with different devices,
Yeah.
and you have it works as a Modbus master, sending the information of up to 32 devices. And it's really, we have seen that use case as very useful for many people. Modbus is still very popular in industry, for instance.
Yes, absolutely. Also, basically, it provides you that configuration interface where you can put in your Modbus details and then.
Yeah. And you can configure the device itself to query the bus and send the information from the devices, or you can do it from the network. So ask for these registers and device number 3, and it will return the answer. So it's a Modbus of a LoRaWAN.
Oh, nice. That sounds really exciting.
Yep.
So, I mean, in closing, do you have any final message to those who are watching online or anyone who's here on this show?
Yeah, so I think it's really nice to be here. And I would say everyone in the IoT world, everyone in the LoRaWAN world should come by at least once in a, I mean, not maybe every year because it might be expensive, but it's really interesting to be here and know what us or other people are offering and talk to the people that are really working on the products.
Yeah. Absolutely, I totally agree. It's my first time here, and I must say it's really amazing what I saw here as far as the LoRaWAN ecosystem is concerned. So, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you very much.
It was great chatting to you.
Great.